Hi, I'm Deneen Matsuda, and I'm so glad you joined me today. I have a friend joining me today. Her name is Katrina, and we get to teach together. She teaches third grade, so she preps them for me, and then I get them in fourth grade. And here we are at the end of our year, a bit exhausted. And, I don't know how it is at your school, but we get a list of things that we have to do, like a packet, an end of the year packet. And the thing that kind of is overwhelming to me is not even on the packet. It's just an extra job that we have to do, which is very important, but it takes time and a lot of effort, and that is signing everybody's yearbook. But my friend, Genius Katrina, has something that is going to really help you. It certainly helped me last year, and I'm going to do it from now on. Tell us what you do. How'd you think of this idea?
I thought of this because, as you mentioned, we're very tired at the end of the year. And I would get a stack of yearbooks. And we have a beautiful yearbook.
We do. It wins awards.
Yes. And so they work really hard on it, but it's thick and it's heavy. And you get a stack of 24, 26, 29, depending on how many students you have a stack of them. And I was trying to carry all of those to my car, to my house, in order to sign them.
That's how you thought of this.
My arms were just breaking. I was like, I can't carry these back and forth. There's got to be a way that I can go home, do some of these without breaking my arms, while also not taking them away from the kids. And so I decided, let's do it on a sticker. Let's do it on something that I can take home and work on and then bring back, and I can just peel off and stick into their book. And so that's what I did. So get these, the little mailing labels. You can do different sizes depending on how much you want to write to your student. I know you use this size, the 2x4. I use the 3 1/3 by 4.
This size.
And mine are this size. So just depending on how much you want to write or how big you write. With cursive, it takes a little bit more, and so I just do that. So I
didn't know about that size, actually.
Oh.
You can even draw a little picture, like a little flower or something.
So then I just get some of my favorite colors, and I'll just go through and I'll write a note to each student, and then I will peel it off and stick it into their yearbooks. And then I don't have to sit there with the huge yearbook. I don't have these big stacks carrying in and out of my house, but everyone gets a personalized message that I've actually had some time to think about and write. So.
And have you ever, I know I have signed the wrong yearbook, you probably haven't.
I haven't, but
I've done that once.
I made a mistake, and what's great about this is if you make a mistake, instead of crossing it out and making it look all ugly in their yearbook, you just get a different sticker, and they never know.
Oh my
It's
goodness.
perfect by the time it gets into their book.
Yay! I hope that you will try the Katrina sticker method on your yearbooks, and I hope it is as transforming for you as it has been for us. Thanks for being here today, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm Deneen Matsuda. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget
to like and subscribe!